Hey guys, welcome back to Hudson Valley Prepping and Survival. Today I am gearing up for the opening of trout fishing here in New York State. April 1st we get to cast a line and try and catch ourselves some trout from the streams and lakes here in New York State. So in cleaning out all of my gear bags from last year, of course I didn't do it when I put everything away, so now I'm cleaning out all my trash and treasures from last year. But I decided to take some old pill bottles and make some emergency fishing kits, and that's what you see here in front of us. I've got one completed here. This contains 3 sets of fishing line, 3 bobbers, 9 split shot, 3 large treble hooks, 9 small size 8 hooks, and a couple artificial lures, these guys right here. And I've got everything laid out for you guys here. These are the little lures I put in there, some of the small hooks that I have. I only had one of the treble hooks left, so this kit's going to get left a little short-handed, but I'll add a couple next time I pick them up. Some of the floats that I put in there, split shot, and here's our fishing line here. This is I want to say it's 8-pound test. I try not to go with anything too heavy. You know, you're probably not going to catch any monster fish on these, but panfish sure would make a difference between survival and starvation. So that being said, I take all this stuff and I toss it in a old used pill bottle here that's been cleaned out well and the labels removed. I'll wrap that pill bottle in paracord. That way you have a little extra cordage, hopefully to carry your fish home on. And you could turn it into a stringer. You could extend your lines with this and use this as more of a bank line. And you know, cast a fishing line into the water, get a little extra reach on it. But yeah, this is my boredom buster for the afternoon here. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Hudson Valley Prepping Survival. See you guys soon.